takes the Shanks treatment and stabs him in the belly. They are losing a 2v1. He's like, I need more bullets. So he can't waste it, but he aims for the sprinklers instead. Now she can see him. KO. Mahito versus Sakamoto, and he's like 70% robot. No. And this is what Sakamoto's gonna use to fight, and he's winning? Blinded one of his eyes. Imagine if Sakamoto's actually using normal weapons. So strong. He makes my head hurt. How is he cutting a metal wire with paper? What is this guy? Sakamoto straight aura farming now. He's not gonna hold back. We get a Mahito backstory, and he was trying to help people,